Good morning, girls. Today I'm going to do lesson number 18. We have done proportion, direct and inverse proportion. We have done ratio. We have done inheritance. And now today's topic is partnership. Same chapter number 5 we're doing. Now the topic is partnership. First, I'm going to explain it what partnership is. Partnership is when two or more than two persons start the business, okay? And business is a joint business. They are investing money in the business, and after investing whatever profit or loss is there, they share it. So it is known as partnership. So I have written the definition. You can see two or more than two persons start a joint business and share profit or the loss is called partnership. Okay, so this is the definition. When two or more than two persons start a joint business. Joint business means that all are investing the money. So when all are investing the money, they share the profit or loss. Now, the money which they invest is known as capital. Okay, so money invested in the business is called capital. So, all these you have to do for the MCQs. So, you all should know what is this word capital. We are going to use word capital in the question also. So, whenever capital word is used, it means that the money which they have invested. Okay, and next point is according to the ratio of their capital, they divide the profit or loss. Okay, so these are the points, and this is known as partnership. Now, in the question, what they are going to give you, they'll give you the profit only. Okay, profit will be given in the question, and you have to divide the profit among the businessmen, whoever is investing the money. So that money is capital. So according to the capital, you have to divide the profit or loss. Okay, so in the question they will mention you that profit is given and how much capital is given they have invested. According to it, you will divide. Now I'm going to give you the example which is in your textbook. Okay, from your textbook I'll give you the example. Let's solve it, and then after that I'm going to solve few questions also from the exercise. Then you all will understand it, how to find the partnership. Okay, now the example question I have already written it. Okay, now the question, it is example number 1 from your textbook. Page is written page 113, and this question came in paper 2018. Okay, so let's read the question. A, B and C started a business. So instead of the name of the person, they have written A, B and C. They started a business. So there are 3%. It means that it is a joint business partnership. A invested 6,000 rupees. Amount of A is 6,000 rupees. Capital, you can say. B invested 9,000 rupees. So capital of B is 9,000. C invested 12,000 rupees. So capital of C is 12,000. At the end of the year, they gained 5,400 rupees as profit. Now, profit is given in the question. What you have to do, you have to find the share of each in the profit. So you have to divide this profit between A, B, and C. So now, how to solve the question? First of all, see what is the profit given in the question. Okay, so the profit which is given in the question, you will write the profit first. Okay, profit is, this is profit amount, this is rupees 5,400. Okay, this is the profit given in the question. Now this profit you have to divide among A, B and C. Okay, so now the thing is that A, B, C invested the amount for the whole year. Okay, because they have gained the profit at the end of the year. So we will mention it that capital means the amount, the money which they have invested. Okay, so capital of each person, capital of each one of them remained, okay, remained in the business. Capital of each one of them is remained in the business for the whole year. Okay, for the whole year, the profit is to be distributed. Profit is to be distributed among them. Okay, profit is to be distributed among them according to the ratios. Okay, according to the ratios, whatever amount they have invested, according to that they will get the profit. Okay, now you have done ratio questions. Same way we are going to write their ratios, how much amount A, B and C has invested. Okay, so let's start with the amount. So first we'll write A's capital, A's capital. Okay, A's capital is to B's capital, then is to C's capital. Okay, there are three persons, so capital of all three of them. Okay, one by one. Now amount of A invested 6,000 rupees. Okay, is to B invested 9,000 rupees. It is in the question. Okay, and C has invested 12,000 rupees. Now this is the ratio between A, B and C. Now you can see, you can simplify it. You can cancel the terms, you can divide them by one digit only. So these three zeros, cancel them with these three zeros and these three zeros. Numbers you can cancel, they all go in the table of 3. So we are dividing this by 3. Okay, I'm writing this in the bracket so you will remember it. So 3 into 2 is 6 is 2, 3 into 3 is 9 is 2, 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, so this way you are going to simplify it. Divide all three numbers by one table. Okay, so with 3 we have divided, all goes in the table of 3. Now next step is to add the ratios. We have done in the ratio questions. What we do, we find the sum of ratios. Okay, sum of ratios. Sum of ratios is 2 plus 3 plus 4 and it is equals to 9. Okay, this is the sum of ratios. Now after finding the sum of ratio, what we are going to do, one by one we will find the profit, each one's share, you can say, we will find. Okay, let's find the share of A. Okay, so we will find A's share, then we'll find B's share and then C's share. Let's start with A's share. A's share in profit. Okay, This is A's share in profit. So A's capital is 2 divided by sum of ratio 9 into profit is 5,400. So solve it. 2 with calculator you can solve, you can use simple calculator. 2 multiplied by 5,400 divided by 9, so answer will come rupees 1,200. Okay, so this is the first answer. Okay, next is B's share in the profit. Okay, B's share in profit. Okay, B is 3 divided by sum of ratio. Okay, 3 divided by 9 into total profit is 5,400. Again, same way with calculator you can calculate. 3 multiplied by 5,400 divided by 9. Okay, with calculator you can solve, you will get answer rupees 1,800. This is second share, B's share. Okay, first one is A's share, so this is the answer. Okay, second is B's share, second answer. Now the last one is C's share. C's share in profit. Okay, so C's share is, now C is capital is 4 divided by sum of ratio 9. 4 divided by 9 multiplied by profit 5,400. So this share is, use calculator, 4 multiplied by 5,400 divided by 9. So with calculator you will solve it. Answer will come rupees 2,400. You can use simple calculator to find the answer. Okay, so this is done. So now A's share is 1,200, B's share is 1,800, C's share is 2,400. Okay, so we have divided the profit 5,400 rupees between A, B and C. So we got this answer, and you can check your answer also. How you can check it? Add all these shares and see if it is coming same. Checking. Okay, so 1,200 plus 1,800 plus 2,400. So if you are going to add all three, 0, 0, 14 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 5,400. So this is the profit which you were supposed to divide, which you have divided. So this you have divided and in between these three persons. Okay, so it means it is correct, answer is correct. Okay. Simple it is, it's no difficult question. Just write what is the profit, then write each person's share, divide it, then find the sum of ratios. Okay, after finding the sum of ratios, then you can find each person's share. 2 divided by 9 into profit, this 5,400 is profit. 3 divided by 9 into profit. 4 divided by 9 into profit, so you'll get the answer. Okay, now I'm going to do the questions, few questions from the exercise. Okay, so same way you have to do the questions. Now let's do exercise 5.8. okay, question I have already written. You can check it in your book also if you cannot read it. Question is, first question, and exercise which we are going to do is 5.8. okay. Now here in the question you can see that it is given that Zad, Umar and Bakr. Okay, name of three persons, it is written Zaid, Umar and Bakr started a joint business. Okay, so it is partnership. Joint business means partnership. Zaid, Umar and Bakr, there are three person, and invested 840 rupees, 900 rupees and 720 rupees respectively. Respectively means that Zaid invested 840 one by one, Umar's 900 rupees this amount, and Bakr's amount is 720. They gained a profit of 1230 rupees, so this amount is profit. So this profit you have to distribute this profit. Find each one's share in the profit. Same way you'll do, write the profit and you have to divide the profit between Zaid, Omar and Bakr. Okay, so let's write the profit first. So the profit is rupees 1230. Okay, now same way the capital of each one of them remained in the business for the whole year, so profit will be distributed among them according to the ratios of capital. Okay, so let's write it. Same thing we will write. Capital of each one of them remained in the business. Okay, this amount remained in the business for the whole year. For the whole year. Okay, amount remained in the business for the whole year. So the profit will be distributed among them according to the ratios of their capital. Okay, so the amount remains for the whole year, so profit will be distributed among them according to the ratio of the capital. Okay, now we are going to write their capital, how much amount each person has invested. Okay, let's write the names first. There are three names, Zaid, Umar and Bakr. So we will write Zaid's amount first. Okay, Zaid's capital. Okay, Zaid's capital is to Umar's capital. Okay, Umar's capital is to Bakr's capital. Okay, these are the three person who invested the amount. So Zaid's capital, Umar's capital, Bakr's capital. So Zaid's amount is rupees 840 is to Umar's is 900 rupees and Bakr's is 720 rupees. These three amount. Okay, now you have to distribute these. Let's divide it. Okay, we will divide this by, okay, let's divide it by 2 first. Okay, divided by 2. I'm writing it here, you will remember it how we have divided. First cancel 0, 0 and 0. 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 45 is 90 and 2 into 36 is 72. Now again you can see with which number you can divide. You can divide this by 3. All these goes in the table of 3. Okay, 3 into 14 is to 3 into 15 is a 45, and 3 into 12 is 36. Now again you check it if you can further divide it. If it is not possible to divide it further, find the sum of ratios. Okay, now you cannot divide it further, so find the sum of ratios. Okay, so sum of ratios, so add these ratios. 14 first ratio plus 15 plus 12. So after adding you will get 41. You can use calculator to add. Okay, so 41 is the sum. Now we will divide the amount between all between three of them. Zed's share we'll find, then Umar's share, and then Bakar's share. Okay, let's find the Zed's share. Zed's share in profit. First person's share. Okay, Zed's share in the profit. How you find share? 14 divided by 41 into profit. 14 divided by 41 into profit is 1230. You can use calculator. 14 multiplied by 1230 divided by 41. Okay, 14 into 1230 divided by 41. With calculator you will solve it. Answer will come rupees 420. So this is Zed's share. Zed will get rupees 420 according to his capital. Now second person is Umar. Okay, so now the Umar's share in profit. Okay, so Umar's share, Umar is 15 divided by 41 into profit is 1230. So use calculator. 15 into 1230 divided by 41. So with calculator you will get answer rupees 450. This is the second answer. Okay, last person, third one is Bakar. Same way you will find Bakar's share. Bakar's share in profit. Okay, Bakar's share in profit. Now Bakar is 12 divided by 41. 12 divided by 41 into profit 1230. So 12 into 1230 divided by 41. With calculator you will solve. Answer will come rupees 360. So this is the third answer. So we got all three answers. So you can check also if you want to check. Let's check it. Add all three amounts. 420 plus 450 plus 360. Add them. 0 and 6 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, so what you'll get? 14 13. Okay, 3 and 1. 4 plus 4 8, 9 10 11 12 12 30. So this is same as the profit. So it means you have checked your answer. It is coming same. So your answer is correct. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Simple it is. What we have done, write the profit. Profit is 1230. Then write Zed's share Z's capital, Umar's capital, Bakar's capital, and then you can reduce it with same number with same table. Then find sum of ratios, add them. You can add and find the sum of ratios, 14 plus 15 plus 12. Okay, then one by one you can solve. 14 upon 41, 14 divided by 41 into profit, 14 divided by 41 into profit, 15 divided by 41 into profit, 12 divided by 41 into profit. Okay, so you will get the answer, this 12 divided by 41 into profit. All the questions you have to do it with same method. Okay, so you will get the correct answer. I hope you have understood this. If not, then let's do the next question. In next also, same way, write the profit, write each one's capital, and then find the share. Okay. Now question again. I have written the question. Question you can check it in your book also if you want, in your textbook. Question number 2. Now in question number 2, A invested 6,300 rupees. Now name is not written instead of name. A is given A, B and C. A invested 6,300, B invested 4,200, C invested 7,500. This is the amount of A, B and C in a joint business. So joint business means again partnership. And gained a profit of 720 rupees. This is the profit, and you have to divide the profit. Find each one's share in the profit. So same way you have to divide the profit. Let's write the profit first. Okay, profit is amount, profit equals to rupees 720. Okay. Now same you will write capital of A, B and C remained in the business for the whole year. So the profit will be distributed among them according to the ratio of the capitals. Okay, so write it. So the capital of A, B and C remain in the business for the whole year. The profit is to be distributed among them according to the ratio of the capitals. Okay, same we are going to write. Now let's write everyone's capital A, B and C, how much amount, how much money they have invested. Okay, so let's write A's capital, okay, ratio, B's capital is to C's capital. So A invested 6,300, A's amount is to B invested 4,200 and C invested 7,500. Okay, let's divide it. First we'll cancel the zeros, 2 zeros. Now they all go in the same table, table of 3. So we are dividing them by 3. Okay, so 3 into 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3 is 2. 3 into 14 is 42 and 3 into 25 is 75. Okay, now find the sum of ratios. Okay, after reducing it you find the sum of ratios. Sum of ratios. Sum of ratios, add all these. 21 plus 14 plus 25. With calculator you can add, answer will come 60. Okay, so we have added all these. Now let's find each one's share, A, B and C. Okay, each one's share we are going to find. Let's find A's share first. Okay, Same way you will solve it. 21 divided by 60 into profit, 14 divided by 60 into profit, 25 divided by 60 into profit. Okay, so the method is same. Let's start with first one. A's share in profit. Okay, so A is 21 divided by 60. 21 divided by 60 into profit is 720. So with calculator you can calculate 21 multiplied by 720 divided by 60. Okay, with calculator, so answer will come rupees 252. This is the first answer. Now the second answer, B's share. Same way we'll find B's share in profit. Okay, so B is 14 divided by 60. 14 divided by 60 into profit. Profit is 720. So with calculator you can solve 14 into 720 divided by 60. So answer will come rupees 168. Okay, so this is the second answer. Now third one. Okay, third is C's share. Okay, C's share in profit. C's share in profit. C is 25 divided by 60. 25 divided by 60 multiplied by profit 720. So again with calculator you'll calculate 25 multiplied by 720 divided by 60. With calculator answer will come rupees 300. So this is the third answer. Same way we have calculated. Okay, so got the answer. Simple. Write the profit, write each one's capital. A is capital, B is capital, C is capital. Then you can reduce it. All will go in the table of 3, so divide them by 3, then add them. 21 plus 14 plus 25 will get 60. Now one by one you'll solve each one's share. 21 upon 60 into profit. 14 upon 60 into profit. 25 upon 60 into profit. You'll get the answers, all three of them. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Okay, let's do the third question also. Let me solve third question. Okay, now question number 3. I have written the question. Question number 3. Okay, now again question is in the book. Okay, so you can read the question from your book. Okay. Okay, question number 3 now. Kareem invested 3600 rupees. Okay. Rahim invested 9900 rupees and Salim invested 7200 rupees in a joint business, again partnership. So 3% are Kareem, Rahim and Salim. They invested the amount in the business and gained a profit of rupees 885.50. This amount is the profit. Okay, so this is the profit. So find each one's share in the profit. Now you will divide the profit. Okay, so first step is to write the profit. Okay, let's write the profit. Profit is rupees 885. Okay, this is the profit. Again, same way that the capital amount, capital means the money which they have invested, these 3%. So the capital of each of them remain in the business for the whole year. They all have invested for the whole year. So profit is to be distributed among them according to their ratio. So first we'll find the ratio. Okay, so let's write the name, all three names, and then we will find the ratio. Okay, now first name is Kareem. Kareem's capital. Okay, Kareem's capital is to Rahim's capital. Okay, Rahim's capital is to Salim's capital. These are the 3% who invested the money. Okay, capital. So Kareem's amount is 3600. Rahim's amount is 9900 is to Salim's amount is 7200. Okay, so these three have invested. Now you will divide this by the same, see in which table they goes. First cancel the zeros, these two zeros, two zeros. Okay, let's see if they go in the table of 3. Okay, let's divide it by 3. 3 ones are 3 divided by 2. Okay, let's divide this by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. 2 18s are I think they all go in the table of 3. Okay, let's divide it by 3. Let me write it again. 3 into 12 is 36. 3 into 33 is 2. 3 into 24. Okay. Now you can further divide it by 3. Divided by 3. Again you can divide. All goes in the table of 3. 3 into 4 is 12 is 2. 3 into 11 is 33 is 2. 3 into 8 is 24. Now you cannot further divide them. Okay, so find the sum of ratios. Sum of ratios. Okay, sum of ratios. So 4 plus 11 plus 8. So sum of ratio is 23. With calculator you can add. Okay. Now, now we are going to find each one's share one by one. Okay. Let's start with first person, that is Kareem. Okay. Method is same. 4 divided by 23 into profit, 11 divided by 23 into profit, and 8 divided by 23 into profit. Okay, so one by one we are going to solve. Let's start with Kareem's share. Kareem's share. Okay, Kareem's share in profit. So first person. So 4 divided by 23. 4 divided by 23 into profit. Profit is 885.50. So after calculating, how you will calculate? You will multiply 4 into 885.50 divided by 23. So answer will come rupees 154. First answer. Next is Rahim's share. Same way, Rahim's share in profit. Okay, Rahim's share. Again, same way, 11 divided by 23. 11 divided by 23 into profit, 885.50. So calculate with calculator. 11 multiplied by 885.5 divided by 23. So answer will come rupees 423.5. This is the second answer. That is the first answer. This is the second answer. Now the last person, third person is Salim. So Salim's share in profit. Okay. Same way you'll calculate Salim's share in profit. Salim is 8 upon 23. 8 divided by 23. Into profit 885.50. Use calculator. 8 into 8 multiplied by 885.5 divided by 23. So answer will come rupees 308. So this is the third answer. Okay. So same way we are doing all these questions. Just write the profit, then write each one's capital, reduce it, find the sum of ratios. Okay, then each one's share. 4 upon 23 multiplied by profit, 11 upon 23 multiplied by profit, 8 upon 23 multiplied by profit. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Fourth question, I have solved it. Let me explain the fourth question. Then you have to do all four in your exercise book. Okay. Okay, question number 4. Now you can read it from your book if you want to. In business, 1240 rupees were gained as profit. Okay, so first they have written profit. 1240 rupees is the profit. Find the share of each partner if they invested 960 rupees, 864 rupees and 1152 rupees respectively. So it means that 3 persons have invested. So 3 amounts are given: 960, 864 and 1152. Profit is 1240 rupees. So first you will write the profit. Profit is rupees 1250. Then same you will write the statement that all have invested the money for the whole year. So it means profit will be distributed among them according to the ratio of the capitals. Now you will write the amount of all three, the amount which they have invested. First partner's amount, second partner's amount, third partner's amount. So first amount is 960 rupees, second is 864, third is 1152. Now what you do, you divide all these amounts. Okay, first we will divide this by 4. You'll get 240. 216 is to 288. Then again you can divide it. All goes in the table of 4 again. So 4 60s are, then 4 54s are, and 4 72s are. Again you can divide it. All these terms goes in the table of 3. 3 30s are 60, 3 27s are 54, 3 36s are 72. Still you can divide it. So again divided by 3. So let's divide it. 3 10s are 30, 3 9s are 27, 3 12s are 36. Now you cannot further divide this. So if you cannot divide it, what we do, we find the sum of the ratio. Now find the sum of ratios. Add all three. 10 plus 9 plus 12 with calculator, you'll get 31. After adding, you will find each one's share. 10 divided by 31 into profit 1240. 9 divided by 31 into profit 1240. 12 divided by 31 into profit 1240. So one by one. First partner's share, 10 divided by 31. 10 divided by 31 into profit. So with calculator you'll calculate, you'll get answer 400. 10 multiplied by 1240 divided by 31. Use calculator. Okay. Then second partner's share, 9 divided by 31 into profit. 9 divided by 31. Okay. So 9 divided by 31 into profit is 1240 rupees. So with calculator you can calculate 9 into 1240 divided by 31 rupees 360. Okay. Then the last one is third partner's share. Third is 12 divided by 31 multiplied by 1240. Answer will come rupees 480. So all these questions you have to do it with same method. You have to do these 4 questions in your exercise book with the example. The whole lesson you are going to copy it. Okay. So exercise 4.8. These first 4 questions are of topic partnership. Okay. So only do these 4 questions. I hope you have understood all these example plus questions. Anything you have not understood, you can ask me. Okay. Please complete all your work. Okay. Take care, girls. Bye.